Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the colorize feature on the Clip Studio Paint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. After you selected your drawing, and opened it, tap to the edit button on the top left side on the screen and look for the colorize function. Click on the colorize all option and click to the OK, and the application colors automatically your drawing. This will take 5 seconds. And this is the finish drawing. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.